Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are still having a great day. Alert, alert, alert. Y'all stay tuned. So in our earlier video from today, I showed you guys these wonderful boxes. And this one was actually the project box that we made together. And it is fantastic. And all of these boxes are fantastic. Want to answer a couple of quick questions that I got. One of the questions was, where did I get these papers? Well, this paper, Hobby Lobby, this paper is from Prima's Love Story collection. And this paper I actually had in my stash, so I don't know where I got it, but the embellishments are from Anna Griffin. And whenever I use embellishments like this, they are typically going to be Anna Griffin. And then my red heavy cardstock, this came from AC Moore. So I got that question a couple of times this morning, so I thought I'd answer that in this video. But that's not the purpose for this video. This video is to show you how we can take these already beautiful boxes and make them even more beautiful. I know y'all didn't think that was possible, but you know what? We can. So today's best project on YouTube is getting even better. And this is what I'm talking about. So I made some boxes in Valentine paper, but the purpose of the box was to just dress it up a little bit more so that I could show you guys how we can take these boxes that we're making, add a little bit of bling, add these feet, and kick it up so many different notches. And this truly is a beautiful way to do this box. Once we do this, this does not have to be just an ordinary box. Yeah, I've got candy on the inside, but with our false bottoms that we're putting in our boxes, this box now becomes something that'll hold jewelry, something that can set out in your bathroom, something that can sit on your desk at work. It becomes useful for so many different reasons. And I am going to show you how quick it is to transform this box into something even more stunning than it already is. All right, so I have my little feet, and these feet are some of my favorite go-tos, and I'll have a link in the description box on how you can get these feet. And the beauty of this is we are going to apply these feet with our wonderful reptile glue. That's how versatile reptile glue is. And I know some of you had questions about the drying time. It does not take 12 hours for reptile glue to dry to paper. So when we put it down, I'm going to put it down on this just like this. So I'm going to let these dry for about 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, it's safe enough for me to handle these and demo these even more to you guys. So I am adding my little feet. And I'll put my fourth one on. We're going to let these dry for about 15 minutes. And then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and our beautiful box is dry enough for me to handle with the feet on the bottom. But I did want to show you one thing. So to make sure that your box is level when you add these feet, don't let them dry completely. Come back after about 15 minutes. If your box is wobbly, and this one isn't, but if your box is wobbly, just take it while it's still a little bit wet and just tap it to get these feet leveled out, and that'll solve your wobbly problem. So this really did transform this already beautiful box into something that you can really set out in your bathroom, on your desk, anywhere. And I wanted to bring the other one back in because I wanted to show you what I did to the top. So I had already made this and put my sentiment on and made it real beautiful. And then I went back and added just this little mini handle to the top. And you can see that this really does become just a small piece of furniture. Absolutely gorgeous, so easy to do. And we're able to do these wonderful things with all the beautiful embellishments, papers, and tools that we have available to us as paper crafters. So I hope that you guys will look at the boxes you're making today just a little bit differently. Make some just like this, but then take some and transform them by adding feet. And you can add feet to the larger boxes that I made over the weekend. Just look at what we're doing a lot differently and think beyond what I show you and think about what we can turn it into. So I hope that you guys have liked this quick update to this wonderful project. And if you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.